everyone is looking for motivation. Now, when you talk about motivation, motivation is linked to behavior, and behavior is linked to results. Now, when you talk about these three things, number one, motivation, number two, behavior, and number three, results. Yes, we can blame results and everything, but results are always or can always be linked back to the motivation that drove that behavior, which produced the results. Now, motivation is different. Though everyone wants to be motivated, but the question is, behind every motivation is the reason why you're motivated. Are you motivated by consumption? And when you're motivated by consumption, for an example, I talk about 7 motivational drivers. One of them like being consumption. Consumption is what leads to things like selfish behavior, where people just do things for themselves. You know, it's more about people just wanting to shine, to look good on others, you know, for wrong reasons, because they just want to consume whatever it is that they get. And if you are driven, or that motivation is driven by excellence, for an example, or by achievement, your behavior will be about you wanting to achieve excellent results. It means the results will be about excellence because you are driven by achievement. But if you are driven by greed, once again, what's going to tend to happen is that you're going to end up sabotaging other team members because it's all about you. It's all about you getting what it is that you want to get. But if it's about care, you know, taking care of other people, what that will achieve or will result in is that of pro-social behavior. That's where you'll end up being a team player, achieving more results and everything. So it's not just about, you know, motivation. Everyone, yes, wants to be motivated, but the question is, what is the source of your motivation? Is it care? Is it consumption? Is it about, you know, just power, wanting to look powerful? What is it? So when I talk in these modules, when I talk about this and the brain, and I talk about the drivers of our motivational systems and the behaviors as well as the results that we tend to achieve. So would you really like to know more about this? Because in a team, you have team members that are driven by different motivational systems. And until you can align those motivational systems, then you'll never get to achieve same results or desired results. So let's work on that. These are all the elements that lead to peak performance. We need to sort out those issues of culture. We need to sort out the issues of, you know, motivational systems. We need to sort out issues of neuro teams, etc., etc. So let's work together on this. It's all about the brain because it is the seat of everything that we do. How much of those things that I've just mentioned do you know about? The minute and the sooner you understand them, the more of a confident person you're going to be because you'll understand what drives human nature. So once again, let you and I sit down and craft what will work for your organization and for your team.